This is a new 2015 Ford Edge. It's powered by all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, internet connectivity, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Sunrise Ford of North Hollywood is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5500 Lankershim Boulevard, North Hollywood, California, 91601.